What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage back with another video, man. And today we have a new pair of Adidas Yeezy 350 Boost V2, man. And if y'all been following the channel, if y'all been watching all the videos, y'all should probably know which pair this is. But before we get into this pair, if you have not checked out yesterday's video of me picking up the new off-white, my first off-whites in my collection, make sure I go check that video out. Very dope. Did it on feet for you guys, so I hope y'all enjoyed those visuals as well, man. Before we get into this, I need you guys to subscribe to the channel. We're right around 15K, man. All I need is that little extra support, that little extra boost from you guys sharing the videos. Smash that thumbs up. The goal for every video is 100 likes, man. So y'all go ahead and smash that thumbs up if you're watching this video before you skip to the sneakers, man. Let's jump right into the sneakers. So I already did an unboxing. If y'all seen yesterday, I pulled out the shoes before I didn't show the unboxing portion because it seemed like y'all don't like the unboxing. I think y'all just like getting straight to the sneakers. And yeah, today we have a new pair of kicks, and it is a 350 V2, like I said. And yeah, man, it's my third Yeezy in my collection. It will be my fourth pair if I didn't sell my Oreo V2s, and them things is going for crazy numbers right now. I was going back trying to get them again. I was like, nah, man, nah. Now here you go, Yeezy Boost 350 V2, and y'all should probably know what it is, man. I told y'all I didn't get the statics because it was too close to this pair, and it is the white. And I think the C white is core white, man. So check that out, triple core white sneaks. And yeah, let's jump into the sneaker. Pull it open. Y'all know, got them from StockX. I got a lot of slack from the video I put up about StockX, but I don't think people actually watched the video and got where I was coming from, but it is what it is, man. I fuck with StockX. Go to receipt, and you get this right here, of course. And I think you get a sticker. I don't think they gave me a sticker in this one. But yeah, let me go ahead and show y'all boys these things. Bam, there you have it. The triple white Yeezy 350 V2s, man. Let me turn this brightness down because, whoo, look at that thing. Look at that. Let me turn that brightness down so y'all can check this true color out. Looking at this color right now, it kind of looks like the butters, but this is the core whites. And I'm not for sure if this is the first release or the second release of the cream whites, so I don't know about the yellow on the soles. Y'all know on the zebra pair that the outsole was more clear than the first release because I had the first release. Yeah, this one right here seems to be yellower than the first pair of Yeezys I got, so this might be the second release that I got. And I got these things for a great price. Got it about $30 over retail plus shipping, so I think that was a good price for these, man. So shout out to StockX for that. You already know what you get for StockX. On that left shoe, you get that StockX verification tag. Check these things out. This is my third pair of Yeezys. Like I said, I wanted to get this pair so bad because I need an all-white sneaker. And it was either getting some all-white forces or, you know what I'm saying, being a little bit of hype beast in me, cop the Yeezys, man. And here you have it, man. Y'all already know what the Yeezys look like. I will be doing an on feet with this sneaker pickup, man. And this is arguably one of the best Yeezys to release, in my opinion, because it goes with everything. Literally goes with anything you want to wear. The only issue I'm having with the Yeezys right now is getting the joggers. Like, I don't feel like you can wear these with jeans all the time. I feel like you need the joggers, and that's going to be, you know what I'm saying, incorporated to the channel as well. Like I said, the clothing plus the sneakers, because everybody can say you got sneakers, but, you know what I'm saying, can you put a fit together? You know what I'm saying? That's what I want to bring to y'all, the clothing. And hopefully I got a couple of, working with some clothing brands right now, so hopefully we can bring some nice, you know what I'm saying, apparel to the channel. Pull the other sneaker out real quick. Usually they come with like StockX to give you the little sticker or whatever. Oh, here you go, right here. See? I got two of them things, you feel me? So shout out to StockX for that. I got a lot of those stickers, man. And you already know on the right shoe, you get the little tags right here. And I was looking at this shoe just now, and I feel like it says something. I don't know if I need a black light or something. Y'all let me know in the comment section below if it says something right here. You gotta look very close, but I'm not for sure if that says something or not. On the other side, I don't see any type of writing. Let me know, please, in the comment section below. But on this one, it looked like a different type of writing as well. Like, it's crazy. Y'all let me know if y'all put the little black light to it, and let me know if y'all see something on there, because, hey, I'm not for sure right now. I don't want to sound crazy, but I think it does say something right there. Y'all let me know in the comment section below, please. Inside, you get the little white tissue paper. Y'all already know how Yeezys come, man. I'm throwing these straight to the shoe game, as Jumpman Bostic would say. Throw that in there. Y'all already know the inside of the paper. You get the little sandpaper, whatever. And inside, you got the Adidas Yeezy in there, man. Check it out, check it out. That Boost material makes these shoes so comfortable. I wanted to pull my Yeezys out so bad recently, but I feel like I need the joggers to go with it, man. Just something about, I don't know, it's just something about the shoe, the low cut. I feel like you need the joggers to go with it, and as of right now, I have joggers, but I don't think I have joggers to go with my Yeezys. Do a little round view for y'all. Check it out. Check it out, man. Y'all let me know in the comment section below right now if you copped this shoe, and if you did you cop it on the first release or the second release, which was a restock? Y'all let me know in the comment section below. I know this shoe was going for like $500 before the first release, or before the first restock. So y'all let me know how much y'all end up spending on these. I feel like I got these for a great price, and I cannot complain. Shouts out to StockX, like I said. And yeah, here you have it. Cream white, triple whites, coral whites, whatever you want to call them. Adidas Yeezy 350 V2s, man. So that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this new Yeezy pickup. Like I said, let me know in the comments section below if you have these sneakers in your collection. Subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already. Hit the notification bell for your boy. We're on our way to 15K. We should be there very soon, man. So y'all go ahead and subscribe right now. Share the video. Get this video to 100 likes. That's the goal for every video. And with all that being said, we're going to get right into this on feet, man. Let's get it.